All right, folks, this is Amtrak 535 going to the Oakland Jet London Square Station with 2009 F59 PHI leading. Amtrak Capital Corridor train 535 going to the Oakland Jet London Square. There go that train, folks, all this way to Oakland Jet London Square Station. This train was a double hitter last night on 551. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye. All right, folks, here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor train 537. Final destination of that train, he's going to the Oakland Jet London Square, Oakland. Here it comes at Bayfront Park right now. An SC44 Siemens Charger leading this one off. There he is. This is 537. Headed to Oakland Jet London Square. He's on this track right in front of me. 2123 with 8301 Mount Whitney. To the final stop, Oakland Jet London Square, Oakland. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Still more to come. Bye-bye. All right, folks, Amtrak 532 going to Sacramento. 8312 Mount Inyo. In your face. Hello. Folks, all this way to Sacramento. 532 headed to Sacramento. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye. All right, folks, here comes Amtrak 541 going to San Jose Diridon Station. Here it comes at Bayfront Park. An SC44 Siemens Charger. The Charger is leading this one off. Amtrak Capital Corridor train 541. That is a 2124 leads off. Mount Shasta. Look at that train, folks. He is going to San Jose. I'm Marcel Hall. Still more to come. Railfanning at Bayfront Park. The 714 is on its way here. All right, folks. This is Amtrak San Joaquin train 714 going to Bakersfield. Here it comes. I think that's Port Arena or Port Aguila. Port Aguila, 6961. 6961, Port Aguila. SC44 Charger, 2106. Look at that train, folks. He's going to Bakersfield. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye. All right, folks, here comes Amtrak San Joaquin train 716 headed to Bakersfield. Here it comes. Cat car leading this one off. Oh, 6963 Port Reyes. 6963 Port Reyes. F59 PHI probably 2007. Oh, 2003. There it goes, folks. That train is going to Bakersfield. Coming up next is 713 on its way here. I am Marcel Hall. Still more to come. All right, folks, here comes Amtrak San Joaquin train 713 going to the Oakland Jet London Square, Oakland. Here it comes. A Siemens Charger leads this one off. It's a venture car set. Amtrak San Joaquin train 713 on its way to the Oakland Jet London Square with an F59 PHI tail in the back. 2102. 2102 leads off. 2102. In the back. Alright, folks, look at that train. That train is going to Oakland, Jet London Square, Oakland. That train will be returning back at 7:18 later on today. Alright, gotta go. Bye-bye.